Okay, this is Mark Mitchell again. We're putting in the Schlage touch door lock deadbolt. Starting with the deadbolt here. And if we look at it on the top, it says 2 3/4. Now on the other side, it says 2 1/8, I'm sure, somewhere there. And what we do is we rotate this till that pin lines up, and now we're at 2 3/4. We're going to shove this in the hole, and there is a top right there. It says top, so we're going to put that in that way. Just slide it in. Okay, and we'll put some screws in there. I'm going to pause this. Okay, so we just put these 2 screws in, and there's a tag on here and what to do and what not to do. You want to have this deadbolt recessed like it is now when we put this together. So we're going to leave it like that, and we're going to do some more little fun work. Okay, so we've gone ahead and put in the keypad on the other side, making sure this is on the top, making sure this is going through the correct hole, and our deadbolts. Let's see if I turn my light on. Yep, they're lined up. So, and this side is oriented correctly. So now I'm going to put my side on. I'm going to have you hold this, Mitchell. So
yeah, push against me.
I'm going to put that through. And try and get one started, and then okay. So what I just did was I was making sure, and you could just see that it's going to squeak by without getting too pinched in there. And I put one screw in. We're going to put this other screw in. And you can see that you don't want that out, you want that in, like so. Okay, so when you do put this on, you want to make sure this is vertical. You don't want it like so. So when you guide that in, if there's a wrong way to do it, it even has a sticker here showing you that that's the correct way. You don't want it lateral when you're first putting this in.
Whoa, hold up. It zoomed in. Gotcha.
Okay. So now it's time to connect our wires, like so. And then our battery. Oh, she just lit off. I can hear it. So then I'm gonna get the battery in the back. I don't want these wires in the back. I'm gonna shut it. Boy, they make that's a tight fit there. You got kind of. And oop, I think them wires all need to be on this side. At least that's what I think. Yeah. Okay, so now everything working right. It says it hit Schlage, and it should rotate out. Yeah, maybe if I hit it that way. Okay. I clearly. Okay, the correct test procedure is to hit the Schlage word. For Pete's sake. And then rotate it, and yes, so this is installed correctly. So we did that correct. So now you can't move it, so we can set that code later. So we did do it correctly. So that is done. I might do a video on the code.